Hello. And welcome back. This is episode 9. My name is Jay. I am the editor at Money Off For You.
And I'm Joe, the pub and restaurant specialist. You're in the right place to find out where and how to get money off things you are going to buy anyway.
Let's get underway. We're here to help you save money. Currently, there are more than 160 stores where you can get money off purchases using discounted gift cards, which are like money, but cheaper.
Yes, and 32 of those are in the pub and restaurants category that we'll cover in this video.
And the rest are in other areas of spend, whether that be at supermarkets, on clothing, or the cinema,
homewares, food deliveries, and so many others.
We have separate videos on the channel where we cover saving you money on these too. Joe, tell us more about how to get this money off.
Okay. Gift cards are available because someone sold them to a reseller website, or because they are bought in bulk. In either case, the stores that have discounts, the quantities available, and the amounts, are all limited, so, when they are gone, they are gone. Ideally, choose an item you want to buy. Let's say it's £100. Go to the reseller website. Let's say they are offering a £100 gift card with a 5% discount. You buy it for £95, getting £5 off. Pay for the item with the gift card with a £5 saving.
If you are planning to buy something in the near future, make sure you are subscribed so we can keep you up to date with the discounts available.
And then act quickly, as they can be sold at any moment.
Absolutely. And how do you use them?
Using a gift card is usually really easy. However, it's worth checking the terms and conditions to make sure you are okay with where, when and how they can be used. The gift cards will usually have a barcode for scanning, or a long number and PIN number for typing, similar to a credit card. And when used at checkout, the value of the card is taken off your bill. Pretty simple. Money off, for you. Some resellers like Card Yard, Jam Donut, Cards to Cash and Hyperjar offer e-gift cards that are immediately available. Top Cashback usually only supply the e-card the next working day, which just requires a bit more planning.
Thanks. And all these resellers have guarantees in place to ensure the process goes smoothly. And this probably contributes to their great or excellent Trustpilot scores. There are links to the reseller sites in the description. Top Cashback is currently offering you £10 free if you sign up and use our referral code. So if you were to buy £100 of discounted gift cards which are discounted by 10%, then you can get £100 of value to spend and save £20. So, a pretty easy way to get that money off. Okay, now for the pub.
Whether you go to the pub on a regular basis or just go for a special occasion, you can normally get money off your evening out. Harvester currently has 10.5% off. Perhaps you are thinking, 10.5%. Is it worth the hassle? Well, imagine you spend £50 a week at the pub. That adds up to over $2,500 over a year. And 10.5% off $2,500 is around £260 over a year.
Right. Let's go through the pub discounts we can get right now, as of Saturday the 1st of March 2025.
We covered Harvester at 10.5% off a few moments ago. So next. Vintage Inns cards are available at both Hyperjar and Top Cashback at 10.5% and 10%.
All Bar 1 cards are available at both Hyperjar and Jam Donut at 10.5% and 10%.
Ember Inns cards are available at both Hyperjar and Jam Donut at 10.5% and 10%.
ONeills cards are available at Jam Donut, Top Cashback and Hyperjar, and are all at 10%. If this has been helpful so far, then please hit the like button. Now let's look at restaurants next. Having a meal out is always a treat, and getting a few quid off could mean that happens a bit more often. The top deal you can get at present in restaurants is with Pizza Express via cards to cash at 17%, which, based on a £50 per week spend, means an extra 8 quid in your wallet. Ask Italian has discounts at both cards to cash and Top Cashback at an awesome 15% and 6.2%.
Côte cards are available at Cards to Cash, Jam Donut and Top Cashback at an epic 15%, 7% and 7%.
The restaurant card cards are available at Cards to Cash, Jam Donut and Top Cashback at a massive 15%, 10% and 10%. Some really good ways to get money off there. And that's not all. Check out the channel for even more discounts in other areas of spend. And every Wednesday and Saturday, I'll update you again on the latest discounts you can get.
When you want to get these discounts, there are links to the reseller websites we just ran through, in the description, including the top cashback referral link to get that free tenner.
If you share this video with others that want to get money off, I'm sure they will thank you.
We would love to hear your comments about the successes you've had.
If you value this channel, please remember to like and subscribe, so we can continue to keep you up to date on how to get money off.
Thanks for watching till the end, it is appreciated and helps out the channel a lot.
My name is Jay, keep getting money off, see you in the next update.
Bye.